We'll guide you through how to make a shape transparent in Photopea. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, access the Photopea website using Google Chrome. Double-click the Google Chrome shortcut on your desktop or taskbar and wait for the browser to fully open. Once Chrome is ready, move your cursor over the search bar, click it, and type Photopea. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to begin the search. After the search results appear, select the top result, 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘. You will then be redirected to the Photopea homepage. When the page opens, the homepage will display the standard Photopea interface and available options. Click the New Project option to begin. Choose any available template that suits your needs. If necessary, adjust the canvas size according to your preference. Set the background color to black, then click the Create button to open the editing workspace. After the canvas appears, press Ctrl+0 to highlight and fit the canvas on the screen. Look at the toolbar on the left side of the interface, because the first step is to create a shape. Again, locate the toolbar and find the Shape tool. In this example, select the Rectangle Shape tool. Create a shape by clicking and dragging on the canvas. If you want a perfect square instead of a rectangle, hold the Shift key while dragging. Once the shape has been created, change its color using the Fill Color option and choose any color you would like to use. To make the shape transparent, lower the opacity of the shape layer to somewhere between 10 and 75%, depending on the effect you want. If you want the shape to remain visible while appearing fully transparent, create another shape on the canvas and refer to the settings in the top options bar. Turn off the shape fill color, then enable the shape stroke feature. Choose your preferred stroke color and increase the stroke width value to make the outline thicker and easier to see. You now have a transparent shape with a visible outline, and you have successfully learned how to make a shape transparent in Photopea.